Hey, how's it going? And today we are just going to be showing you how to do quick 3D textures in LightWave. And this is actually one of the things that I really enjoy about LightWave is LightWave comes with a lot of pre-built procedurals already. And then you can also download it very easy from DuPont's website. This is the kind of thing that you can create like so easy. It's not even funny. So I'm just going to show you real quick how you do this. So we're just going to clear the scene and we'll go into model and we'll go to geometry and we'll go to cube. We're just going to create a basic cube. You can make this any size that you want, and then we just zoom in here like that, and we'll go into the surface editor and we'll click here. There's a lot of 3D textures you can use, but dots is a really fun one. But let's just try bricks just to show how this works. And to start, we're just going to put the color in to the color. The one thing is you have to be in VPR to see this. And so the first thing you'll notice is that we're projecting this on the wrong axis. So we're going to put this on the Z, and then it looks like bricks. Okay, so now that's fine and dandy, but then there's really no 3D-ness to this. And so it's very easy to do that. And you just put the bump into the bump here. And once the bump map, you can really see the grout or whatever popping from the background. And because the color is black, it almost looks like it's going into nothingness almost there. So this almost just looks like it could be a rock or something, not necessarily bricks or anything like that. What we can do is we can just go in here and the foreground color we can change, or the background color to like a more of a brick color, like a red. And there you go. Of course, in this particular instance, the grout looks like it's protruding and maybe we want it to go the other way. So all we need to do for that is to turn down our bump amplitude and go into the negative. So I'm just dragging that down, and then we get this nice, more of an indented look, I guess, and that's a real nice look. Now the last thing I'll talk about here is just like that, this nice 3D texture. And of course these can be scaled, these bricks can be scaled. So if you come in here, you can adjust the scaling to adjust the size of them. Now the last thing, and this is something that I notice a lot in 3D, is that things are too perfect. Like in reality, nothing's perfect. Like no matter what I guess my ex-girlfriend is perfect, but I'm not. Okay, so anyway, there is this perfect thing here, and of course nothing looks that perfect. So what we do here is we'll come into turbulence, and if I click here, if I drag color into background there, you can see now we've got some nice variation here, and it doesn't have that perfect monotonousness that kind of gives 3D away. Now what you can do here, you notice it changed the color because this is overriding this. So all you'd have to do on that is just give the color here, and this I believe would be let's see, the background, foreground, let's see. Yeah, so you can play around with the colors there and give yourself a nice 3D texture that looks really great. Interestingly, if I kill the backdrop here, there's a lot of other adjustments you can make on this. So for instance, that's very shiny. So usually we would kill the specularity on that and then maybe bump up the roughness. You really can get it looking fairly photorealistic. And like I mentioned earlier, you can use dots is a lot of fun. So just for fun, I'll delete this. Wait, let me delete. I should right click here and cut that. And then we'll just bring in dots. And this is really a fun one to play around with in scale. And the same thing, we just put in the color into color and the bump into bumps. And then we start getting a real nice, let me turn the backdrop back on here so we get that full lighting effect. We really start getting really cool look. And then if we, again, it's very perfect and monotonous. And so we want to put that in like that if we want to add some nice variation in there. And that's it. That's all I had. It's a lot of fun. So take care, have a great day, and thanks for watching.